Right blue shorts. Here's CALCIO straight away for them. Phil Thompson getting a touch to that. And it comes to Rocca, but charged down in the first touch now for Gordon Hill. Well, given away to Capello. CALCIO offside. Luigi is there. And in fact, the crowd are shouting, but the whistle has long since gone.
To run off grass and onto gravel and then back onto grass. And, you know, it was very significant. All the goals were scored at this end.
And is it too obvious a question to ask you how on earth England were persuaded to play in this tournament so close to 2-well?
A little chip in there, but Cannon's getting it away again. But it can't be easy in that baseball diamond to judge the pace of the ball. Well, there's a bit of space now. Wilkins with a shot, just past the post. That could so easily have been the first goal. Here's Gordon Hill, the first real taste of Gordon Hill that we've seen tonight. Shannon now, maybe a shooting position. Good pass here now for Towers. Good build up by England. Hill now looking for the angle. Getting in a shot and a great save by Soft. So far so good for a weakened England side against what is basically the best side that Italy could put out. Tony Towers to Mike Doyle. Oh, and he's given it away now. Here's CALCIO for Italy. Played there for Graziani. A chance now for Italy, yes! Graziani, the studs.
So that helped a little bit, but of course it was an absolute nightmare if you had studs on, especially when you were in that, is it the diamond, what they call it?
Yeah. It's also 2-0 by the
So we're playing well there, aren't we?
I remember wearing rubber studs in the first half at the baseball end.
Played for CALCIO. Now for Rocca, a brilliant break here by the fullback now for Italy. Across the goal there. Felici, oh, and it was saved. Attacking the goal to our left. Here's Dave Curry. Shannon. Towers. And a free kick. The Italians have made no substitutions at all. Here's Trevor Brooking. That free kick certainly was taken quickly. Royal. Now Royal with a chance. Oh, it's there by Shannon. England have got back into the game on the far side for England. Said they may fear Kevin Keegan, but I'm going to make them remember my name as well. Thompson there. Had a goal. Thompson.
One only goal for England. Very, very pleasing. So important as well. Again, we weathered the storm and we started to make a comeback.
Because we had a good night that night, didn't we? It's very important.
So 2-2.
Royal is away on the far side there. Gordon Hill's coming to the middle. Shannon's there too. And goal! Shannon! 3 goals in 8 minutes. And England...
Manchester City coach, the late sadly missed Billy Taylor, and he was saying afterwards, God, he's never heard him like that before, because Don Revie was really, really upset at half-time. I mean, we were 2 down, and as we've seen, it could have been more than that. And we've ended up really winning that.
There's a yellow card for Antonioni as well. Antonioni with a shot. Oh, and it just went past the post. Wilkins. Great space again on that far side for Shannon, showing all the acceleration in the world. Look at this for a run by Shannon. Oh, and he hit the post. And particularly in this second half, England. Here's Becchetti, though, for Italy. It's not over yet. Now the cross coming sailing into that England 6-yard area. Mills couldn't get to it, but Corrigan. Oh, Corrigan stopped it. No, disallowed. Disallowed.
Right, well, it all starts around about now, doesn't it? They didn't like losing, did they? And
I think the big point of this stage was